Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth Osorio and today together with my partner Verónica Falcón, we will present the most fun and easy recipe for you. Pay attention please.
To start making our fruit turkey, we need half a peeled pear. We are going to put it in the big dish to prepare the recipe. In second place, we need skewer sticks to make the feathers. In this case, we'll use kiwi, orange, some grape grains, a banana, a plum, and a green apple. All the fruits were previously washed. First, we cut the plum in cubes. Then we cut the orange segments. And the kiwi into slices, and then in half. Then we peel the banana. We are going to use only its half and we cut it into slices as well. Finally, we are going to cut the green apple into slices.
To assemble the feathers, we need your fruit, the skewer stick in half, and a great imagination. As an example, we bring a grape grain, followed by a slice of kiwi, a piece of plum, an orange segment, a banana slice, and a grape grain. And we have finished a feather of our fruit turkey, which we must insert in a pear.
We are going to make all the feathers we want. We have finished the turkey base with half a pear and fruit feathers. Now, with the green apple slices, we will decorate the feathers. It's becoming a delicious fruit turkey. This is how it looks. As a last step, we are going to cut turkey feet from a carrot and put them on the dish. We cut turkey eyes from a grape grain. And from a piece of carrot also we made a beak. Our turkey is finally done. And it looks beautiful, delicious, and healthy.
We chose this dish because we think the process is really easy and catching for children and adults, and the product is interesting and beautiful, like an artwork. And we choose this ingredient because they are healthy, delicious, and have many colors, so create an attractive dish. A child should eat this as a healthy snack to enjoy with friends or family, after breakfast or between lunch and dinner, because it is light but also has a lot of vitamin and gives children energy to play and have fun.
Fruit vitamins give nutrients that benefit our health and human physical development. Vitamin A is good for hair growth, cell growth, and also for stimulating the immune system and improving the vision. Vitamin B1 is good for the heart, nerves, and muscles. Vitamin B2 contributes in producing blood cells, in children development and growth, and in digestive system health. Vitamin B3 also activates digestive system, is good for skin health and children development. Vitamin B5 helps producing vitamin D and some hormones and keeps digestive system in a good condition. And finally, vitamin C helps protecting tissues and cells, producing blood vessels and muscles, and reducing the risk of cancer and cardiovascular diseases. The first tip of our dish is creativity. If you have some fruits, make your imagination fly. You can create a lot of beautiful snacks to enjoy and share. The second tip is that you can accompany it with water or fruit juice. And a third tip is, if you have children in your home, enjoy the process with them. You will have a lot of fun and also they will learn good habits. This was our video. Thank you so much for watching and we hope you have enjoyed it. Bye!